Hello students, today we will study Civics Chapter 8 Understanding Advertising. Students, when you move in the city, you can see many types of flexes, banners and hoardings around you with numerous messages and with nice quotes about the different types of products such as food items, clothes, electronics, etc. This is known as advertisements. An advertisement is a message or information that draws the attention of the people towards a product or service. Advertisements always promotes us some positive message of the products, and thus these advertisement convinced us to buy the product. So, the process of promoting products and services is known as advertising. Advertising is of two types: commercial advertisements and social advertisements. Now children, about commercial advertisements, these advertisements tempt consumers to buy a particular product that are released by the companies to provide a paid service to the consumers, whereas social advertisements are aimed at changing the attitude of the people. They focus on public awareness on certain social issues and are released by the government or private agencies such as women empowerment, tourism, etc. Newspaper, television, radio, and internet are the different mediums through which these advertisements reach people. Advertisements influence us about the product, that how useful or how important it is for us. So, advertisements do the building of brands. At a basic level, branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. This is done in order to differentiate it from other products because there are various products in the market. Students, do you know branding originated from the practice of cattle grazing? While grazing the cattle mixed up with other cattle, so to identify them, the owner started the practice of marking the cattle with the sign of its owner with the heated iron. This is known as branding. So, thus the process of marking or sign a product is called branding. To understand it a better way, let us look at the advertisements given below in the book. So, both the advertisements are of milk that have been given their unique names. They highlighted the different qualities of their products to attract or to convince the buyers. In the first advertisements, they highlighted the purity of the milk, and the second one highlighted the nutritional value of the milk. To promote their products, special values promoted in advertisements to appeal to the buyers are known as brand values. Advertisements and social values. Advertisements play a very powerful role in shaping our opinion and deciding our buying choices. Advertisements have great influence on the people around us. Suppose in the market there are packaged and unpackaged products are available, and we tend to believe that packaged products are better than a loose one, means unpackaged product, although they are expensive due to packaging and advertising costs. Moreover, people who are unable to afford it, they feel inferior and guilty of not buying quality goods for their family members. Although there is not much difference in these both products, but the power of advertisement makes us believe the claimed differences between them. Similarly, advertisement impact our day-to-day lifestyle. Film stars, cricketers, famous celebrities shows up in the advertisements and we are tempted to copy them and decide to buy those products. About making of an advertisement. Let's come to the point how the advertisement being made. First of all, to launch a particular product in the market, the company hires an advertising agency. Suppose if a company want to launch a pen in the market, then the advertisement company's team will target the students group, as they will try to advertise that they should use this pen. It will make them successful in their exams, it will improve their handwriting, etc., etc., to put the influence on them and try to tempt that they should purchase this pen as it is better than the pen they are using before or now. With the catchy words and emotional visual advertisements, the company tried to grab the share or attention of the students. After doing the survey of the society, they finalize the marketing strategy. First, they test upon a small section of the society. Once it considered successful, then they launch the product in a large scale. Advertisement and democracy. Advertisement play a good and bad role in a democracy. Big companies involves a great deal of expenditure in the advertisement of their product. They spend a lot for showing their advertisement repeatedly again and again, and so it keep an impression on the minds of the consumers to a large scale. Whereas a small businessmen are unable to afford such an expensive amount for the advertisement of their product, so they lag behind and are bound to turn towards weekly markets or neighborhood shops to sell their product. Thus, we can see that in a democracy, advertisements are linked to various issues of equality, as well as some advertisement disrespect for the poor, defeating the purpose of democracy. Advertisements connect us emotionally to convince us to buy the particular product. But we should be conscious, aware, and vigilant before deciding to buy any product. We should judge the product with our intelligence and analytical skills that which product we have to buy. We should not take much influence on us and should not be depressed that we cannot afford the branded products. We should have to keep clear vision before buying any product, that which one is better for us.